Good morning, kids. Today we'll learn about the landforms of the earth. The first landform is mountains. It is the highest landform on the earth. It has a pointed peak. It is mostly covered with ice and snow. Often these ice and snow melts and rivers are formed. Important rivers like Ganga, Yamuna, Brahmaputra all originate from these mountains. Next, we have hills. It is also a highland, but it is not as high as the mountains. It looks like a hump on the earth. It does not have a pointed peak. Now let's see the glaciers. These are the moving mass of ice on the mountains. It is formed due to the accumulation of snow. There are different types of glaciers depending on their size, shape and locations. Next landform is valley. The low-lying area between the hills and the mountains are known as valley. Next we have plain. The flat area on the earth's surface are called plains. The plains near the oceans are known as the coastal plains. Then we have the desert landform. It is a large area of dry land. It does not have any vegetation and it receives very less rainfall. Then we have the plateau landform. It is a broad flat land which is higher than the plain. It has a steep slope. It looks like a huge table. Then we have the islands. You can see here it is a piece of land surrounded by water on all the sides. Now there is an activity for you. You have to draw all the landforms on a chart paper. Example is given in page number 14. Take the picture and send it to the school's WhatsApp number. Next, we'll do the exercise. Here in page number 16, you can see chapter checklist. You have to take the concepts which you have understood. Now the first exercise is tick the correct option. The first one is the planet in our solar system that supports life is. You have to select the correct option. Second, the northernmost point of the earth is the. You have to tick the correct option. Third, the largest continent is. Fourth, a piece of land surrounded by water on all sides is called. You have to take the correct options. Fifth, a low-lying area of land usually between hills and mountain is known as. I hope you all have marked the correct answer. Now let's check it. The first one, the planet in our solar system that supports life is Earth. Second, the northernmost point of the Earth is the North Pole. Third, the largest continent is Asia. Fourth, a piece of land surrounded by water on all sides is called island. Fifth, a low-lying area usually between hills and mountains are the valleys. I hope you all have marked the correct answer. Now let's move to the second exercise. Here you have to write true or false. The first one is, the earth resembles an apple. You have to mark whether it is true or false. Second, Land covers most of the Earth's surface. Third, the Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean in the world. Fourth, North America is an ocean. Fifth, the Earth is also known as the blue planet. I hope you all have marked your answer. Now let's check it. The first one, the Earth resembles an apple. The answer is false. The Earth resembles an orange. Second one, land covers most of the Earth's surface. The answer is false. The correct answer is water covers most of the Earth's surface. Third, the Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean in the world. The answer is true. Fourth, North America is an ocean. The answer is false. And the correct answer is North America is a continent. Fifth, the Earth is also known as the blue planet. The answer is true. Now let's move to the third exercise, that is answer the following. First question is, why is the Earth a unique planet? You have to note down the answers in your textbook. The answer is, the Earth is a unique planet because it has air, water and sunlight. All of these are useful for us to survive. The second question is, what covers most of the Earth's surface? Most of the Earth's surface is covered with water. Third question is, how many continents are there on the Earth's surface? We know there are 7 continents. Fourth question is, name the 5 oceans. And the 5 oceans are the Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Indian Ocean and Southern Ocean. Fifth question is, what is a plateau? The answer is, it is a broad flat land which is higher than the plain. It has a steep slope. These plateaus are rich in minerals. Now, the fourth question, it is think it over. Here you have to locate a landform in your city. Discuss it with your parents and write it in your notebook. Next we have a activity corner. The first activity is read and match the names with the correct picture. This activity you have to do it in your textbook. Next we have map work. You have to name the continents. This also you have to do it in your textbook. Then we have project, life skill and value check activity. You have to discuss it with your parents and write the answer in your notebook with proper date. That's all for today. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you.